क्या आपने हज़ारों रुपए खर्च किए हैं फाउंडेशन खरीद के? क्या आपने मेकअप लगाना कम्प्लीटली छोड़ दिया है बिकॉज योर फेस एंड योर नेक नेवर मैचेस? क्या आपको फाउंडेशन लगाना पसंद है पर हर वक्त आप गलत शेड का शिकार होते हो? आर यू समवन हु ऑलवेज थिंक्स इसका शेड कैसे मैच हो गया फाउंडेशन का, मेरा क्यों नहीं होता यार? Then you are at the right place, my friend. So hi my lovelies, in today's video I am going to talk about how you can find your right foundation shade online. So I will actually take you through various steps that will help you to find out that right shade of foundation. Before we move forward, hi, I'm Payal. If you have enjoyed watching this video so far, please consider hitting that subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that every time I upload, you get notified first. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, in the market, there are various kind of foundations available. What do I mean by that? There are stick foundations, there are cushion foundations, there are liquid foundation and etc. So you will first have to understand what kind of foundation are you going for. So this is how you narrow it down. So after understanding what kind of foundation actually you want to go for, then you will actually move on to search for what are the different kind of brands that are available who actually has that kind of foundation which you are looking for. This is how you narrow it down. So that will be your first step. Your next step will be to find out what kind of finish you want to go for. Now what kind of finish, as in whether you want a dewy foundation or a matte foundation. Now how will you decide whether you want a dewy foundation or a matte foundation? It's very simple. You will first have to understand whether you have a oily skin, a dry skin or a combination skin. So usually oily skin people always goes for matte foundation, and on the other hand the dry skin people always goes for dewy foundation. So we are left with only combination skin. So now the combination skin people actually goes with the foundation finish as per to the surrounding or the weather they are living in. So finding out what foundation finish you are actually you want to go for is your second step. Your next step will be to know your undertone. Now how are you going to know your undertone? If you don't know your undertone, please do it with me right now. So take your rest, okay, and see this area. Over here, if you get to see maximum of green color veins over here, that means you have a warm undertone. If you see purple or blue color veins over here in your wrist, you will actually know that your undertone is cool. You have a cool undertone. On the other hand, if you have a mixture of both, like you might be having blue or purple veins as well as you have green veins, that means you have a neutral undertone. So understanding your undertone will be your next step. It is very, very important for you to select a foundation as per to your undertone. Your next step will be to look for swatches. Now what kind of swatches? Various brands put up swatches in various e-commerce websites. So you will look for that. Maybe let's say you don't find any kind of swatches in any e-commerce site, but they might be actually putting up shade cards. So you will look through your shade cards, like like what kind of skin tone you are having. So as per to that, you can actually check out that okay, these are the 4-5 foundations that I think might be my shade, and what you will do is you will write down in a piece of paper. So this is how you narrow it down step by step. So out of say 20 foundation shades, you have actually now narrowed it down to 5 shades that you might think that okay, but within this 5 shades I might be having my shade. So looking for swatches that the brand is putting up on various e-commerce websites or the shade cards will be your next step. after you have written down those 4-5 shades that you might think that okay, that my shade might lie within those 4-5 shades, now what you will do is you will hop onto YouTube. This is what I usually do. So now when I'm actually confused as in what my shade might be, I hop onto YouTube. I actually find out creators whose skin tone somewhat matches to my skin tone. Then I will see swatch videos of them and I'll see what shade are they actually having. So accordingly, I will now, let's say after seeing the swatch videos, you found out that okay, these are the two shades that you are actually confused between, or maybe you have completely found out that okay, this is the one shade for me. But don't look at only one swatch video, look at 2-3 swatch videos at least, and then finalize your shade. Now after you have written that one shade or two shade, you will still not buy your foundation. There is one final step that you will have to follow. What is that? You will take a selfie in natural light. By natural light, I don't mean golden hour. Okay, in proper natural light, you will take a selfie. After that, you are going to put your selfie beside that creator's picture to understand whether your skin tone and the creator's skin tone matches or not. If it matches, then voila, you have actually found out your right foundation shade and you can definitely go ahead and buy that. Now, if you have ever bought a foundation which is lighter than your skin tone or darker than your skin tone, don't throw that away, okay? Don't think it to be a trash. Now this time when you are going to buy that proper foundation shade, you can actually mix it with the older one. So this is how you can use up your wrong foundation shade. Never ever throw them away. I always do it. Like for example, in Maybelline Fit Me, I have got a wrong shade. The shade is quite dark for my skin tone. Now what I do is I mix it up with another foundation, and in that way I actually get the bright foundation shade for my skin tone. So this is how you can use your foundation even if you have got a wrong shade. Right. So with this, it's a wrap. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.